Yeah.
Or is it too close? No, I'm not even going there. Latest signature edition helmet that we've made. Colin Michael Kitchens. He's a movie producer still, working in the industry. He did the voiceover for this part in the movie, the Luxor Droids line. We thought it'd be kind of cool to invite him to do the signature plaque. Okay, so you've seen a helmet. We've done the first part of the run. We're going to put the second part of the run on the website in the next few days. If you didn't get one and you still want one, this is going to be the time to jump on it. We are going to give one of these away. If you look at the link below this video, there's all the details about how it's going to be run, so what you got to do to enter and all that kind of jazz. So get yourself in on this competition. So hoping the channel is going to be a bit of fun, showing behind the scenes of what we get up to, how stuff's made, how everything goes right every time, first time, with no issues, no hiccups, and how everything goes right first time, every time. We never have any issues, problems, or things to worry about. It's just a total dream. Be sure to subscribe and like the video and turn on notifications and do all the other YouTube associated stuff that you need to do, and enter the competition.